Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to update, delete and cancel. So you need only two things: course.aspx.cs and another one is course.aspx. So at first you have to go for the grid view and you have to click on that and click on that and go for properties. So when you go for properties you have to click events. After that you have to click two times in for option, which is page index changing. So click two times on that and you have to go up again SPX and row cancelling edit. So click two times on that and go for again and row editing. So click two times on that and go again row updating. Click two times on that. That's it. So you have to click on that two times and you have to add another column which can update, edit and delete. So you have to click here, edit columns. After that you have to go for common field, edit, update and cancel. So click the add button and you can move this button before delete button. Yeah, that's it. So it's very simple. Click OK. So now you have to save this and after that you have to go here and you already click here many buttons here, which is grid view, index changing, grid view, page index changing. Oh, maybe I have clicked two times. So yeah, and secondly row cancelling edit. After that, and there are so many methods here, how much you have already clicked. So grid view 1 row editing, grid view 1 row updating, so all of that. So I have already write down here all codes for all methods. So in my case I'll just copy and paste here, but in your case you have to write it down. So paste. Now I'll discuss a little bit about all method. Now first, grid view page index changing. So here I want to take another page index which can control if you have more than 10 or 20 or more than rows, then you need another page and it should change your page index. So that's why you need this one. And another one is row deleting. So if you want to delete your row, I've already shown you, you can understand this one. After that, and this is the grid view 1 row editing. If you want to edit the row, because you have the edit button here, yeah, you have the edit button here, and if you want to edit the row, this will execute this code and then it will take another index where you can edit the row. So after that, here is the another method, which is row updating. This is very important. You need a label course ID, but here when you want to click on edit option, it will go for text editable mode. So you need, according to your database, you have ID, name and course code. So I've taken 3 text box, and under 3 text box I put here like ID, text box ID, which you can get from here. You have to click source and you can check here, yeah, this one, here course ID, and this text box ID is text box 1, so you can change it by your own. And another one is course name, which is text box 2, and another one is course code, which is text box 3. So according to your database and your text box name ID, you have to change it. So I put here text box 1, text box 2, text box 3. But if you want to delete these things, you don't need, because I have put it here. If I want to delete these things, because I don't need this one, yeah, if I want to delete this one, it's won't be any problem. So I need only the text box, because when you click on edit button, it will go for editable mode. So I need only the text box. But when you want to delete, then you need the label. Then you can get the ID from the label. So, and here is the query. And how you collect the query, you have to go here and you have to spin this one, and this is the course table. You have to click for option script table as, and here is the update query, new queries. So I have to wait for some time. Yeah, you have to copy until where you have to copy it, and when you'll copy this one, you have to paste from update to here, where yeah, until this one. After that, you have to collect this course ID, because your database will be updated according to your course ID. So you have to go for your table here and you have to collect the same variable name and copy it and paste after where. And where, when you copy it, and then you have to click put here equal, after that quotation and plus sign, and after that you have to click copy course ID, text course ID, which I have already taken from here. So I have taken from text box 1, which is course ID, and according to course ID your table will be updated or your row will be updated. So after that you have to check your query execute or not, and according to this it is the same. And grid v1 editing text index, when it will be updated, before gridding the load grid, you have to make it -1. That means when you click on edit button, it will take another label and or another text box, which will should remove when you want to refresh the grid view. So this is the condition. And after that you have the row cancelling. During editing, if you think I should cancel because owner correct, we should not edit something, so there is a method, and grid v1 edit, and this index will be removed after before load grid. So that's it. Now I can run the project. You have to wait for some time. Inshallah it will be working. You should be very careful during the coding. So everything is correct. Everything can be done smoothly. Yeah. So we want to create something and we want to update something. So like from filter fundamental. So course code is SWA moment. So if I want to add, it's working or not? Yeah, it's working. So only computer basic add, and if you want to delete this one, yeah, it's working. If you want to update something, suppose you want to change this one, so click on update button. Yeah, it has been updated. And if you want to cancel during the update, cancel button. So that's it. So you have to be very careful during coding. So if you do the same thing, inshallah you'll get the result. So today I have already shown you how to update, delete and cancel. So that's it. Allah.